Let's make this Halloween a math adventure with our new metric game. So this game comes with a game board and 12 cards. So let me put it to the initial situation, which is a door with knock knock. So let me run through the game. It starts with the flipping of cards. So let me assume that there are two players where I take the two rows for the two players. So player one flips the card knock knock and it says the black cat gives candy treats. So let's find the black cat. The black cat is over here and gives candy treats. So candy treats from the other aisle, which is at number 8. So the black cat candy treats. So that's basically 2 times 8 is 16. So the player has to give the answer 16. Similarly, the next turn goes to the next player. So knock knock. And then he flips the card, which says the witch distributes candy. So in the similar way, we have the witch had number 9, and distributes candy, which is number 8. So number 8 and number 9, that makes 72. So that's the answer which the other player has to give. So if they don't give the right answer, they get a 0. And if they give the correct answer, they get a 10. So when it comes to two players, they can score a maximum of 60 marks. And the player who scores the highest of the two wins. So you can decide on what you give to the winner, but usually this game is designed to give candy for the winner. And the aim of the game is to practice the multiplication table while having a spooky fun. So similarly, you can continue flipping the cards and finding the multiplication quotient related to each of the cards. So this is the spooky maths practice, and this book can be used as a supplement to the game which was shown previously, or you can also use this as an individual learning tool. So this is the spooky practice, and it has been designed in such a way that you can integrate the Halloween along with some mathematical fun. So the main contents of the book include addition, subtraction, rounding of tens, rounding of hundreds, rounding of decimals, multiplication, and graphing. So it's most suitable for students from grade 3 to 6 studying in English medium schools, but also the single medium students could use it because it's all about maths. It's all of the instructions are in simple English, so it would not be much of a hassle. In fact, they can also get an exposure to a bit of English if they're fully in simple medium. So let me run through the pages quickly. First, we start off with addition color. So what you've got to do is, basically, it's a pumpkin. It's a Halloween pumpkin that is in this diagram. And the child has to do the additions. So for example, 15 plus 3 is in the first square. So either the educator or the parent can support if the child is not comfortable with two-digit additions, or it can also be used as a self-study. So for example, 15 plus 3 makes 18, and 18 is purple color. So you can color this in purple color. Similarly, you have to add all of them, and depending on the output, the colors should be used. So you can use crayons, pencil colors, whatever is comfortable for the child. And the recommendation is to make use of this book within a range of 10 to 12 days, where the child gets only one page per day, which is the best practice, so that it will not be much of a stress to the child, because a single page has multiple questions. Like, for example, if you take this page, it has several additions to be done. So for a student, for example, of grade 3, one page of this, we will help him to um, practice more additions. Plus, in order to make it colorful, he can color and he will have some fun while adding. That's the objective. So that sums up our spooky book. So as I mentioned, this book is recommended for use for approximately around 7 to 10 days, so that the child can practice these lessons stress-free, and of course have some fun of Halloween during this month of November. So we also have some other products, and you can also look at them over here. If you have any concerns, you can also scan us in this QR code and drop us a message.